Hello everybody, this is Jen from ScrappingPosh. I have shared this small mini album before, but today I am sharing it because I am going to put it for sale on my Etsy shop, so I will link it in the description below. This is one of my 4x4 mini albums, and actually it measures 4x4 1/4 with a 2-inch spine. So this mini album was made with the DCWB 4x6 safari paper sack and some stickers, and I can't remember the company, I think it was Pebbles stickers. So this polar bear sticker on the front, and then there is a wooden embellishment here. These stickers on the spine that spell out zoo, so this is perfect for zoo photos. And then on the back it's got some brown with polka dots. And if you open it up again, a day at the zoo, a very small photo can go here, but I was thinking maybe like a date, time, place, and who was with you here. On the first page there's this swing out flap here, so lots of room. And then each page has an identical tag with a different mat, of course, and the back is plain. They all have the, I'm not sure, the whole reinforcers on them, and this is just made of regular 60-pound craft cardstock. This book is held together by score tape, and then the mats were put on with ATG tape, so everything's acid-free, and the belly bands and the small elements were put on with this Scotch quick dry adhesive. So I feel that everything that was used in this book is of high quality. So the back of the pages are all the same with the belly band, and then each one has some photo mats. These photo mats measure, let me make sure, 3.5 by 2.5, and the mats are 3.25 by 2.25. These are perfect for 2x3 photos. That if you take a 4x6 photo and collage 4 photos on it, you get 2x3 photos. So that's a perfect size for that. And then we have these little plain booklets on the inside with matting on front and back, so you could actually leave the front plain and you could put photos, journaling on the insides. Okay, and I think these pages are all identical. Again, the flap out, I should measure this flap for you. The flaps measure 2.5, oh nope, 3 sorry, by 3.5. So that makes the pattern paper measure 2 3/4 by 3 1/4, and then these pages measure 3 3/4 by 3.5. So your 3x3 Instagram photos will fit perfectly on these pages. There is some texture on here. This is like a glitter, if you can see it, and it also is a bit raised. And then this one just has one photo mat. Like I said, all the pages are exactly the same. If you have any questions in regards to this album, you can leave me a comment here, or you can email me or leave a comment on Etsy, or email me through Etsy. This album's ready to go, so there won't be any waiting. This would be great, like I said, for zoo pictures. It would also, I think, make a really cute gift for someone who has a baby or a small child they're going to take to the zoo, or a teacher who participated in a class trip with her students. You could fill this up with pictures of the kids and give this as a gift to the teacher. The front and back of this album is made of medium weight chipboard as well as the spine. It is a hidden hinge binding system. Also held together with score tape, which hasn't failed me yet. I made this album, I'm going to say about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. So, there is a little bit of wear and tear on some of the pullouts, just a little crinkling of the corners because, as you can see, when it lays flat, these stick out at the top. But it's been in a box, so it's not dirty or dusty or anything like that. Okay, and that's the last page. Big page here for like a finalized photo or some journaling or both. There's like you could put a 3x4 photo there and then add some journaling here. Just some extra glue, I can get that off. And then just to show you, there's no wear and tear on the corners or anything like that. So if you're interested in this tiny mini album, head on over to my Etsy shop. I will link it in the description below. And I appreciate everybody and have a great day.